Hey guys, and welcome back to an episode of Life Ain't Easy. And today, guys, I'm bringing you a promise video where I'd say I shout you guys out if you went over and followed me on Twitch. So I appreciate all of you guys who commented on this video and liked this video. I got like 114 views, as you can see right here. So I want to appreciate all the guys who went over, who followed me on Twitch. I started out with 21 followers on Twitch, and now, as you can see here, up to 31. So I'm just going to go through all the comments, the guys who commented here, shout out their channels, and I'm also going to give a special thanks to the guy who made my new intro, as you can see right here, this intro right here. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so I'm just going to go down the list, pretty self-explanatory video. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe, and if you guys are interested in shoutouts in the future, be sure to just go head over to Twitch, follow me there, and follow me on all my social medias, and you can just ask for a shout out, and yeah, it's that easy. And turn on those notifications so you guys know exactly when I upload, because YouTube's algorithm is really bad. Okay, so first one, Storm Rugger. If I mispronounce these, my bad. Yeah, I'll do my best. He wants a shout out, notification gang, hashtag not first. I followed you on Twitch. Also, I'm just gonna be going through the people who follow me on Twitch as well. So Storm Rugger, shout out to you. Lunar123YT. My name is Lunar123YT. He wants a shout out. Darkspine OC132. 11 subscribers there. Life of Myers, he's a big supporter of the channel. So guys, I want you guys go check out all these guys' channels, by the way. I'm not just giving shout outs just for the heck of it. You guys should go support these people since they support me. Yeah, I want to give back. B Martin's Gaming Expo wants a shout out. Nuck wants a shout out. He's also a big supporter. Volume Gaming 26. We got Sway XRY, big supporter of the channel. He followed me on Twitch. This guy's awesome. Guys, make sure to go check him out. And he won the he won the 10K giveaway also. JAJYT, I followed you on Twitch. Can I get 1,000 subscribers without any videos? I followed you on Twitch. It's a great name. Please shout me out. I need subs. Guys, support this guy. Give him some subscribers. He's currently up to 2. So, when are you gonna stream? Whenever I want. I was going to last night, but I forgot to actually turn on the stream on Xbox. But in the future, I'll be streaming more Apex. So Darkspine OC132 commented again. Same guy right here. Fate Dash, I followed you. Please shout me out. Shout out to you. Dogefire, winner of the 10K giveaway. Shout out to him. Jonathan Green, Youngster. Life of Myers again. R9 Cobalt. Shout out to him. He's been also a big support of the channel. I appreciate that too. Crazy Monkey Kobe. Can I have a shout out, please? Yes, you can. Hyperhound. Stuns. Hopefully I get one. Are you excited for E3? I am excited for E3, actually. I've been watching some of the videos. And here we go, guys. This is the maker of my intro. He deserves a shout out. Let me just open this in a new tab. Guys, go subscribe to him especially. He just made me an intro for free, and I respect that. This guy makes intros for a lot of people, but he does great work, and yeah, just made it for me for free out of the kindness of his heart. So I appreciate that. Go subscribe to him. Lazy, Twisted, Nuck again, Spent Off, first dislike, no offense. I just play around. I will like when I read this, and he did end up liking it. So that's cool. And 5KT Jesus YT. Can I have one? Yes, you can. So guys, these are all the shoutouts on YouTube for this video. I don't know who gave this video a dislike, but I'm giving you guys free shoutouts. Let me just go to my followers on Twitch. Shout out to all these guys as well. Go check these guys out. I appreciate all of them supporting my Twitch and following me. Shout out to all you guys. Scroll down here. Okay, so that's basically all my followers on Twitch. I don't have that many, but if you guys want to go follow me on Twitch, you can. I'll be streaming a little, some Apex Legends if you're a fan of that game. So yeah, guys, thank you all so much for the support on my channel. Appreciate every one of you. I'm gonna be doing a video probably tomorrow or the next day on the Xbox Scarlet. the new console they're making, some listing the specs, because that's a highly searched video right now, and I want to hop on that bandwagon. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you want to shout out, follow me on Twitch, do all that good stuff, follow me on social media, and yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.